So here is Vent app, and if you tap on your profile in the bottom, or if you want to tap to share it, you can share how do you feel. So basically that's the whole idea of the app, that you can share your emotions. Here you have the list: brave, confident, constructive, determined, hopeful, hyped, motivated, optimistic, happy, productive, safe, strong, thankful. If you want to unlock all emotions, you can just do it here. But there you have it. So you can just tap, and then you can just write something and change the, if you want to share public, private, just your diary or mutual listeners, and then you can just tap Vent. Okay, so there is some issue here with the app, but anyhow, usually it's working. Maybe recently, because maybe there is like a surge of users, because this app is trending again recently. And also here you can browse through emotions, so just all types of feelings, you can just go through them, and that's the idea. And then yeah, you can just that's the idea of the app, that this is like a community where you share your feelings. And yeah, so it's like, so you can see here that recently this app is getting up in popularity, and the whole idea is that you share your feelings. So you not just share some photos or some other stuff. So that's the whole idea, that you try to vent, like something happened to you, you have some emotions, and then you just trying to vent and like ventilate, and just share your emotion here. And that's basically how it works. So you can invite people, you can add friends here, you can chat, then you can just message people. For some reason this app is like super buggy right now, it doesn't really work properly. I don't know. And then here you have feed, you have latest, you have groups, and that's the idea of it. So yeah, that's how this app is working. That's the main feature. Other than that, of course, it's very similar to like Twitter or any other social media app. And then also here you have some additional filters which you can unlock, and it's cost $2.99 per month. So yep, something around it. Hope it is helpful.